How to fix Steam can't add phone number and isn't working issue. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix your Steam's contact details issue. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's dive right in. First step here is open up your Steam. After you're on your Steam, tap on your name on the top right here. Then head over to account details. After you tap on account details, it should open up your account's details right here. And if you scroll down, you should find your contact info. Now in this section, if you have already added a phone number, you'll find manage phone number option. Tap on that and it should take you to another page like this. So since I haven't added a phone number, I get to add one, but for you, there might be a different option to change it. So one important thing here is you will need to open up your Steam from your PC. You can't do this from a mobile version of the Steam, so you will need to be on your Steam's uh, you know, PC version. So on the PC version, it shouldn't be that hard to change the mobile number as well. So after you're here, what you'll need to do is just change your number. If you still can't do it, you might need to go to the help option on the top here, go to Steam support. And after you're on Steam support, let it load. And after you're here, you can simply scroll down. You can see search issues and features and games. And if you don't find it, you might have to report one yourself. So here, you can write phone number. So you can tap on this. My bad here. Let me just go back. So what you'll need to do here is you will need to go to Steam Card Mobile Authenticator. And after you're here, you can scroll down. And there you should see an option that says my issue isn't listed here. If you don't see it, there might be some issue there. So let's just let it be. Tap on help me with my issue on the right hand side here. And again, go and search for the reporting section and then report your problem. And that's basically how you fix a problem. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.